Hello guys, you're welcome to another video on the tech. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how to resolve difficulties saving your screen recordings as well as your screenshots using the Windows Snipping Tool. And now, if you're recently getting an error message from the Snipping Tool that your images and your screen recordings cannot be saved, here is how you can fix that error. Now, the first step in the process is to come to the search bar and then go to settings. Next, click on apps on the left side where we have the menu pane, and then click on the first option, installed apps. So the next thing is to use the search bar to search for Snipping Tool, and then click on the ellipsis menu to go to more options. Click on advanced options, scroll down to repair and click on repair. Now, I'd recommend that you try the repair option first, and if it does not resolve your issue, you can come back to reset the application. If both of these options does not still resolve your issue, you can also try the uninstall option and have the app reinstalled again from Microsoft Store. And once you have done that, you can restart your PC and try to use the software again. I hope that fixes your issue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.